Hello mga kaistoryahe! Dahil lunchtime naman, tatanungin natin ang mga science teachers ng anong bachelor's degree ang natapos mo?
Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Com Arts English, minor in Biological Science.
Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Chemistry.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing with 20 units of education, major in Biology. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, RN, with 18 units of Professional Education.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing, unit earner of EDOC Secondary. Major in Gen Sci.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science and minor in Mathematics.
I took a Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Physical Science.
Bachelor of Science in Biology with 18 units of education.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Sciences.
Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, registered medical technologist. Bachelor of Secondary Education, 24 units. Major in Biology.
Hi, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Sciences.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Chemistry.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science.
Bachelor in Medical Laboratory Science, and I have units for education. Major in Biological Science.
Bachelor of Science in Nursing with 18 units of education. Major in Biology.
Sino-sino sa kanila ang mga naging teachers nyo? Comment below!